So here is the article, you guys. There I am.
Get money, get money, get money, get money, get money, get money, get money.
That get money music, baby.
Get money, get money,
Yeah.
get money, get money.
All hustle, 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 hustle. All hustle, 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 hustle.
So hey, you guys, I'm at my 9 to 5, sitting here in my hotel room, and I was in one of my Facebook business groups, and they posted a link about grants. And I always see people post these links, you guys, and I pass them up and I don't apply. And I thought, you know what, Ecuia, you need to stop that. If you don't apply, if you tell yourself no, then guess what? You're definitely not going to get it. But then I realized if I just apply, let them tell me no. If they say no, then it's a no. But what if I would have applied and end up getting it? I could definitely use a grant. I'm sure we all can, right? I mean, free money that you don't have to pay back to help your business is great. Right now, Silky Sacks is my side hustle as I'm building it. It's not my full-time job yet. And so every dollar helps and counts, especially because I'm a wife and have a family. So I don't have thousands and thousands of dollars every month to just put into my business consistently. So I put what I can in, and I'm proud of what I've built, but definitely could use more money, and it could help me focus. So I'm applying for this grant. Let me look at my computer. It's called the Amber Grant. So I'm going to show you this so you can see. So there it is. I submitted my application, praying it comes back to me. So yeah, so I applied, and if you're a business owner, I encourage you to apply for grants as well and look for grants and see how you can build your business up. Hey, you guys. I was getting a little emotional, had to get myself together because I'm getting ready for work, but I was interviewed by Sheen Magazine, and I'm featured online on their website or my magazine. I'm going to put the link down below so you can see it. And I got emotional because it was talking about my grandmother, excuse me, and my dad, who were no longer here. Love them so much, but they were super influential in my life and my desire to be an entrepreneur, and just their work ethic and just giving me a blueprint and showing me that it can be done. You can work for yourself. You can provide great opportunities. And especially in this time that we're in right now, it's great to know and see that I can provide jobs to my community and to hire my family and people I love and help them create a better life. So let me, before I get too emotional again, show you guys the article. So here is the article, you guys. There I am. This is so cool. There's a Silky Sack. And it's a really good article, you guys. And I'm not just saying that because it's about me. I cried. The writer, Lou Martin, he did an excellent, excellent job on the article. So go and check it out. I will put the link down below. So that's the article. I hope that you guys will hit the link down below and go see it. I'm not gonna lie, I had to put the little makeup on and take a little bit of a break before I got back on camera because I started getting emotional because I really wish my dad was here to see, and my grandma, because I know they'd be so proud of me and Silky Sacks and what we're doing. So thank you so much for supporting, for coming and watching every Tuesday. Make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. If you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on Facebook, we're here every Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and share. Also, go ahead if you're watching on YouTube and hit that bell so that you can be notified every time a video comes. You guys, thank you so much for watching. And in a little bit, gotta get ready to go, but I'll come back and I will discuss with you guys how I get PR, what steps I take and do, and we'll just go into it a little bit, okay? So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so here's the tea on my marketing. So I was pitching to magazines and websites online that I feel like feature my target audience, like Refinery 29, Allure. And how I would do that is I would go on their website and excuse me, go on their website, look at who did the article, and then basically try to stalk them, find their email address, follow them on Twitter, etc., etc. So I was pitching, I wasn't having any success, and I felt like, okay, pitching, you know, PR is something that I do because I have to. It's not my expertise. So you hire out your weaknesses. So I found, well, actually, Lindsay of Walker Associates and Media Group. So that's what you're seeing now. This is her website. She's the PR agent that I hired. Now, I could not afford to hire Lindsay full-time to do all my PR for me, but she has a great program. And let me see if it's under services. It's called the PR Pitch Print. And I'm looking here, you guys, and I'm sorry I don't see it, but it is on her Instagram, and I will put her Instagram page down below. So it's called the PR Pitch Print. And basically what she does is she takes and creates a pitch for you. You talk to her about your goals, what you're trying to do for the next quarter or months or however, and she will come up with the pitch for you. So for me, I just submitted my pitch, and then she refined it, and then she also helped me find more outlets such as media that I could reach out to technically have my Sookie Sacks in the media for. And she also gives you like a spreadsheet to track it. So this is my PR plan that I paid for. And basically she will do basically the the planning aspect for you, and then you go and do the pitching part yourself. So now if you can afford to have her do the pitching for you, that's great. Unfortunately, in my budget, I couldn't afford that, but I did need to refine my pitching. So she was able to help me with a spreadsheet, a worksheet, and a plan, and then I was able to work that plan and ultimately end up being in Sheen Magazine, because that was one of the people that she found for me to be in. So I hope that helps you. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments below, and I will try to, as much as I can, answer them. Lindsay is awesome. I definitely can testify to that. She is great at PR and will help you get your PR on point, especially if you're trying to DIY it yourself. So thank you so much for watching. As always, remember to keep God first and create opportunities. See you next Tuesday.